Hi, I'm a Brady printer, and this is some other guy. When it comes to product and wire identification, I've got you covered. My ribbon cartridge is self-contained, so it drops right into place. Same with the label material. Thanks to Smart Cell technology, the consumables talk to me as soon as they're loaded. So I can auto-calibrate and print your pre-programmed labels right away. And here's your first set of labels already. Let's make another. Pop out one label roll and exchange it for another, like so. This is a narrower label width, but I am a self-aligning printer, so I can adapt that automatically, which is a huge time savings. I mean, this guy just finished loading his ribbon. And label number 2 is done. And notice how I automatically cut after each print job? You hardly have to do anything. Let's make a third label, since it seems we still have plenty of time. Did I mention I keep track of material consumption? You'll never wonder if you're running low on installed labels or ribbon, because I'll let you know. Designed for professionals by professionals. That's me. Label number 3. Check. I can print labels, tags, sleeves, markers, and more on a variety of material types. And Brady has hundreds of stock products to choose from, or we can customize your specific label needs. Look at that! Don't we make a great team? That's 4 different label jobs loaded and printed in under 2 minutes, without any wasted labels. My quick change design is easy and accurate. The ultimate hassle-free labeling experience. And that is the Brady Difference. Just click or call. We'll help you out.